In the following demonstration, FITA will provide an insight into best practice installation techniques taught on training courses using a wide range of products kindly supplied by our sponsors.
When we're going to apply a smoothing compound and the floor's got holes, divots and things, we need to do a little bit of repair work first. So what we're going to use is a repair compound, not a floor finishing compound. So once we've cleaned the area up, we're now going to get our repair mortar. For the mix-in ratios, it's on the back of every packet you buy, so please refer to manufacturer's recommendations on this. So once it's mixed to the manufacturer's recommendations, you'll be ready to go.
For more information on this video or to book on a FITA course, all the links are in the bio.